Welcome, coffee lovers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of coffee. Now you might be thinking, coffee is just coffee, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that there's a whole universe of flavors and brewing methods out there waiting to be discovered. We'll explore different types of coffee and what makes each one unique. From the intense concentration of an espresso to the comforting warmth of a latte, we'll unravel the stories behind these beloved brews. We'll look into the nuances of their preparation and understand how seemingly subtle variations can lead to dramatically different taste profiles. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and prepare to embark on a journey through the captivating world of coffee. Let's get brewing. Espresso, the very foundation of countless coffee creations. It all begins with finely ground coffee beans, compacted with precision. Then hot water, close to boiling point, is forced through this coffee bed under high pressure. The result, a concentrated shot of coffee bursting with flavor. Now, you'll notice espresso has a unique texture. It's not just strong, it's thick and syrupy. That comes from the emulsification of coffee oils and the creation of crema, that beautiful light brown layer on top. Espresso is often enjoyed on its own as a quick pick-me-up, but it also serves as the base for many other coffee drinks. Think of it as a blank canvas ready to be transformed by the addition of milk, chocolate, or other flavors. Let's move on to the latte, a true classic for a reason. We begin with a shot of espresso, that concentrated coffee base we just explored. Now to this, we introduce steamed milk. Not just any milk, mind you, but milk that's been gently heated and aerated to create a velvety, smooth texture known as microfoam. The ratio of espresso to steamed milk in a latte is typically 1:3, resulting in a milder coffee flavor compared to espresso. This harmonious blend creates a comforting warmth that's perfect for any time of day. The latte is all about balance. The robustness of the espresso is softened by the creamy sweetness of the milk, and then we have the presentation. A well-made latte often features a thin layer of microfoam on top, sometimes adorned with latte art. It's that final touch, a swirl, a heart, or a rosetta, that elevates the latte from a simple drink to a work of art. Now, if you prefer a more pronounced coffee flavor with your milk, then the cappuccino might be your perfect match. Think of it as the latte's bolder cousin. We start again with our foundation, a shot of espresso. But this time, the ratio of espresso to milk leans more towards coffee, and the milk itself is prepared a little differently. While we aim for velvety microfoam in a latte, a cappuccino calls for a thicker, airier foam. This results in a distinct textural experience. You get the boldness of the espresso first, followed by the creamy sweetness of the milk, and then a lovely lingering cloud of foam. Cappuccinos are traditionally enjoyed in smaller cups than lattes, allowing for a more concentrated flavor experience. It's a coffee that's meant to be savored, with each sip offering a delightful interplay between the rich espresso and the airy foam. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about the Americano. A drink that proves simplicity can be just as satisfying. The concept is straightforward. Take a shot of espresso and dilute it with hot water. That's it, no fancy milk steaming, no intricate latte art, just pure coffee flavor. But don't mistake its simplicity for a lack of depth. The Americano offers a clean, crisp flavor profile that allows the nuances of the espresso to shine through. The hot water simply softens the intensity, making it a great choice for those who enjoy a milder coffee experience without the addition of milk. One of the beautiful things about the Americano is its versatility. You can adjust the strength to your liking by simply adding more or less hot water. And since it's not overly complex, the Americano allows the origin characteristics of the coffee beans to truly shine through. Finally, let's indulge in the decadent delight that is the mocha. Imagine this, a shot of espresso, that familiar foundation. But this time, we're adding a touch of sweetness and a whole lot of richness with chocolate syrup. Steamed milk is then incorporated, creating that velvety texture we've come to love in lattes and cappuccinos. The result is a symphony of flavors, the boldness of the espresso, the creamy sweetness of the milk, all intertwined with the rich, indulgent notes of chocolate. Mochas are often finished with a dollop of whipped cream and a dusting of cocoa powder, making them a true treat for the senses. It's a coffee that satisfies both your coffee craving and your chocolate desires in one delicious cup. There you have it, coffee enthusiasts. A quick guide to some of the most popular types of coffee. We've journeyed from the intense world of espresso to the comforting embrace of a latte and explored the unique characteristics of each brew along the way. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Is it the bold simplicity of an Americano, the chocolatey indulgence of a Mocha, or perhaps the classic comfort of a latte? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coffee content. Until next time, happy brewing!